pinatira din kami dun sa,
May bahay.
Mga rich kasi yung ano nyo eh.
Kasi talaga naman. Why, bakit naman nila kami dati?
pag tumatakbo yung number, naka-video na, na.
Right there.
Huwag ka po yan. Do not take a post. This is a picture.
Stolen yan, stolen.
This is a video.
Stolen.
Huwag mong ubusin ang load mo. Don't worry, tatlong battery ko.
Sira ka.
Hindi na pag nagpakopya ka, ha?
Yes.
Hindi napapakopya
video.
dito.
This is Miss
Lang.
Miss Ortega. This is Miss Glaisa.
naman, Mina, pag magpapadevelop ko, ma'am,
Huwag naman
And
close up.
this is my roommate,
Ayoko nang ma-close.
Ma'am Sorian.
Huwag naman close.
And here are the retired teacher sana teacher, Ma'am Lolet. You say hi.
Malikot ang ano mo,
Ayoko
kamay
nang
mo.
ano.
You say hi.
Hi.
Yes, very good.
Silog pala yung ano.
Gutom na yan.
And this is Ma'am Letty. Ma'am Letty, you say hi. Ma'am Letty, you say hi. Hi, this is Ma'am Letty.
I'm the mother.
Yan ba yung kanina?
Again. Ay, again.
Ano yung
I'm the mother, yes.
mother of Mina?
Okay.
Walang yan to, nanay-nanayan daw niya ako.
Do not say that. Do not say that. I'm going to send this in the ano.
This. And here, one of my mothers.
Post na post, ano?
Yes.
Pag hindi ako
One of the richest teacher in Malabon.
Hindi one of the richest, the richest.
Oh, I'm sorry, the richest teacher. This is Aida. I told you. I told you before.
Ano ba?
Nakita na ba? I told you before, Ate Aida.
But the richest.
Okay, then, this is my counterpart, Ate Carmen. The crazy, the funny,
The craziest,
the craziest in the old group. Because I belong to the young group eh.
Yeah.
This is Ate Rita.
Ate.
This is Rita. Pagbata pa. Rita. Ano ka talaga eh? Rita.
Adjective mo sa kanya.
The beautiful and what another? Beautiful and youngest in the middle age. Kasi tayo tatlo tayo. And her handsome son.
Oh, birthday celebration.
Birthday celebration. Say hi. Hi, baby.
Loko ka. Hindi ko nang katulog. Kumingon na
Oh,
ko.
ayan yung mga kuya, the twin brothers, oh. They don't want to look. Uy, tingin kayo.
Birthday celebrant din.
Okay. Double celebrator today. Very
All!
Three full. Pero ang iri nito is double, ah. Tama, double iri, no? Kuya, tingin naman kayo, nakakainis naman. That is one of the traits of the Filipino people. Shy. Okay. Shy kuno. Okay, say hi nga, Mr. Ortega. Baka rin nakita tumapa kayo, maano sa'yo. Mabigay sa'yo.
Ala ka, hindi yung mabubuta kay Sika.
Pwede, oh. Ako na tayo sa step niya.
Super close up, Ina.
Super close up. Okay, bye for now. See you later. Bye.
Buti lang sa mama ko, wala tayong clown.
Bye.